Came through drift. Came through drift. Diamonds on my wrist, they drift.
Give me a little something to remember. Tryna make love in the sprinter. Bitches drop a nigga like Kimber. Looking like a right swipe on Tinder. Shit on these hoes. Let up my wrist on these hoes.
Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl AshaKosh and we're back with another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Asha. Some people call me Kosh, or some people call me Asha, or they put it together and call me AshaKosh, whatever you prefer. Just don't say it wrong. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and click the notification bell so you're notified every time we make a post. This vlog is basically me going to an event and, you know, being at an event. But I don't know what I do. So actually, I'm meeting up with my friend Colin first. His name is Grill ATL. He's now my official shoe plug. Look at those babies. What are they called?
The Jordan 1 Top 3s.
Alright. He didn't know he was gonna be on camera. I'm sorry. Alright.
Expecting it, but
Look at these shoes. Go check him out, you guys. He will be linked in the description, or he's gonna be tagged like right here. So yeah. Look at these babies. They're gonna complete the fit for today. So I'm excited. Let me go and then I'll be right back. Okay, you guys. So let me tell y'all about how fake Cole is. He left me in 2019. You haven't even responded to my message now.
She's cap. She's cap.
Anyway, I'm here with, I guess, it might be, I don't know, a good friend, Cole. I don't know. You know, it might, you know, right now we're just acquaintances. Because, shit, I gotta make sure about him. You know, he left me in 2019. I just stepped into 2020 with him.
I didn't do anything.
And I actually happened to meet him on his birthday, so he was just in a good mood.
Oh my. You here now.
True.
Exactly. What you mean?
But I'm only here because of him. He invited me.
Right. I let you in the door.
True.
Exactly.
True.
Exactly.
I had to ask permission from him.
Still got in though. Still got in.
Still got in. I'll give you that. Did DM me. We did. Yeah. Never mind. He did DM me about the look up. Yeah.
I did.
Might be friends. So Cole, say hi to the people.
What's up, bro?
Tell them about you. Tell them how you live. Yeah, he sings.
I ain't been on the camera in a minute, bro. I'm 22 now. I'm still black.
Oh, yeah.
And I'm back. I got earrings.
Oh, you had them last year.
Did I have them on the camera last year?
I don't know if you had them on the camera, but I do remember you with the earrings.
Well, I'm a 15 out of 10 now. I was a 10 out of 10 before. Got the earrings, 15 out of 10. Shit, niggas is just here.
Perfect. What should I call you? Colin or Grill?
Either's fine. Really.
Colin?
I call them girls.
Yeah. A lot of people call me Grills now. Even like people outside of our friend group.
For real?
Yeah.
Yeah. I call that man girls.
Okay. I hate calling people by their Instagram name. Call me AshaKosh. But I'll do it, girls. All right, girls. I got it.
Yeah, good girls.
The good girls. The great girls. Great girls. Look at my shoes. The great girls. Hold on now.
That's the real sneaker plug right there.
Okay. Need him. Didn't we? Now I'm about to be the hottest dressing sneaker game chick, not really sneaker game chick. Out in this, out. They're gonna be like, Asha got new shoes every week. How? I'm like, yo.
You gotta switch it up on them.
Every week I'm about to get a new pair of shoes.
Oh, well.
Yeah.
That's fine by me.
I know it is. I know.
Oh,
we can run that.
We will. Shit, I thought I was already running it. This is just the first pair.
Yeah, you see her, bro. Dripped out, boy.
You see, I came prepared with the outfit.
The fit right now, I'd give it a like. Is that creasing?
Man, shut up.
Nah, I give her a good 9 out of 10 for the fit.
Oh wait, can you show them the fit? I don't think they seen this shit.
I got you. I ain't held the camera in a minute, boy.
All right.
You might want to get some more light.
Come on.
Or you could go on the balcony. We
That's
got
why
the
I said
balcony
come
now.
out here.
I don't know whose house this is, but they got a balcony. Oh yeah, it is hard. Yeah.
The good muscle. The good muscle. All right.
Go ahead,
we got this jacket.
Oh, we got that great light.
We got this shirt.
Yeah.
You know, H&M.
The
You know, I
great
went to
shirt.
the event yesterday.
Yeah.
Last time. The leather skirt.
Oh yeah, you can't even do that.
Wait. Can I?
Oh yeah. I don't know. I don't know. Can she or did she? I don't know.
They do stick out just a little bit.
I will.
You know, I don't want to.
Go ahead, and then we gotta get the real good with the arm foot. Gotta get real good with the arm foot. Yes, sir.
I'm really doing slow mo to add music to that. That ain't finna go stupid.
Yeah.
Look at the view though. That sunset is beautiful.
Yeah, that shit is low key tough.
That sunset is sunset.
I ain't even look at it. It looked way better than off the camera for sure.
No, it looks great.
Y'all not even seeing the half of this.
Yeah, y'all not gonna get this. This
And the weather great out here.
Yeah, wasn't it supposed to rain or snow the other day?
I was about to say it's supposed to snow.
Now
It's supposed to snow and
it's
rain
65.
yesterday.
Now it's 65.
Yeah.
Atlanta don't like us. They don't want us to be healthy. They don't care about our
They
sickness.
really don't give a fuck about me.
Don't they?
I got a leak in my
You
car.
got wait. You got all stories. Wait, I got a skirt on. I really can't talk.
Exactly, yeah, but I'm good with the shorts out here.
Yeah, no, you're
You got
great.
Niggas walking their dog. It's straight. Whoever lives here don't need nobody coming up to this.
Yeah, whoever live here, cause I don't know who live here honestly. I'm a visitor.
Are we?
Aren't we? Aren't we? Y'all always leave me to open close this goddamn door. I'm about to go, you guys. I'm about to chill with them, and then I'm gonna head to the event. You know how we do event hopping, show stopping.
Must be nice
But
for the famous to get invited to an event.
it must be nice to have a PR agent, manager. Shout out to you.
Oh, well.
We made it, and we're basically front row, as good as front row can be, honestly.
Sir, so it's front row.
That's it.
We'll be sitting next to the talent.
We'll be seeing next people in the cast. You probably can't even hear me right now, so, but I'm here. It's lit. New series, premiere night. Okay, in the bag. You know, we got a vlog. So, everybody, you better come out. You better watch the show. It's really packed in here.
A round of applause to the one and only Yes! And while we're here, let's give a special thanks to BET for putting all of this on. This is an amazing place. Have a big round of applause! Make sure you talk to some of the artists because it's really important when you meet an artist and you connect with a piece of art that you absolutely love and you ask them what their inspiration was. So while you're here, please make sure you guys check that out, okay? And I would like to welcome you all to the Atlanta screening of BET's newest series, brought to you by the creative in a way. Put your hands together for 20! Please welcome the cast of the 20s. We have Jonica, Chacha, Gibbs as Hattie, Christina Alborn as Marie, and last but not least, GRWM as Nina. So guys, one quick question for our lovely studio audience. What are you guys looking forward to the audience seeing this season?
I hope they see the story of three girls trying to pursue a dream with all they got, and then also get constructed along the way.
You know, I really hope that they see a character that they have never seen before on television and somebody that's uniquely and confidently being themselves.
I just hope people are inspired. It really shows what it takes to work for your dream and what happens when you get it.
You guys are amazing. Please give them a round of applause for them. And please make sure to watch March 4th, 9 p.m., 10 Central. Stay tuned. We are having an after party after this. John Lion DJ will be here in this very room, so stay tuned.
Alright, we're out. We about to take photos. It's a party in here.
You know what?
Alright, just took pictures at the photo booth. Now that's my PR manager. She's taking pictures now with her friend. I'm just chilling, you know. I want a drink now. I want some food, to be honest, but we're gonna just be here, just chilling for a minute. I'm messing up my picture right now. Hold on. Really just a vibe. You just chill. If you have friends, you be chilling with them. But basically, this is like what I'm working on. I'm like working and talking to people, but now I'm getting picture taken. So it's just trying to expose me to more people and network with more people. So that's why I'm here. It's more. That's why I'm like focused and just taking pictures, talking to people, taking pictures, talking pictures. On the couch, and she's just telling me to take pictures everywhere. Damn, good job. Just kidding. I don't hate it. I like it. It's fun. It's cool and all, but it be a lot sometimes. I'm gonna go because I'm about to take pictures. So you guys, that's the end of the event. It was fun. I had a good time. I love this show. It reminded me of like Girlfriends and just like a mixture of Insecure too. Like just one of those good time black cast, black woman, 2020. Like it was just everything you wanted in the show, and I'm so glad that BET is coming out with this. It was shot like a movie. Like it was beautiful. So I hope the whole like series continues to be shot that way, because it really steps up like BET as a whole. Because I feel like when you think of BET, you think about like those hood movies that always would be playing, and now this just gives them that little editorial look. Like being Mary Jane was like the shit. I'm not gonna lie. Like they knew what they were. And what other show was it? With Melanie. The Game. Those two series. I wish they would hit me. I wish that I'm a pedestrian. I get the right of way all the time. But yeah, if they were, those are the top shows on BET. So I think this is gonna be another top show for BET. I'm excited to see it. I'm about to be tuned in, and it's getting dark, so I'm finna go. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I can't wait to see you on my next video. Bye, y'all.
I have a great time with my life, and I want to share it. Greatness is not this wonderful, esoteric, elusive, God-like feature that only the special among us will ever taste. You know, it's something that truly exists in all of us.